parents, how do you know what kind of education and what school environment or education environment you should have for your children? I am Jean Gullicks, Director of LifeSTEM Education Center in Grand Forks. Last year we had a wonderful year as LifeSTEM Academy, but this year you'll find us under LifeSTEM Education Center. So the question, how do you know which education environment is right for your child? You know your child better than anyone else does. You know if they seem to be frustrated, curious, above average, struggling, and you need to take into account their personality. Are they shy? Are they sensitive? Are they aggressive? Do they tend to be the leaders or the followers? There have been so many problems in the schools in the past decade, but they have accelerated in problems in the past 3 to 4 years. Right now in North Dakota, the average graduation rate is 83%. The average test score for language arts is 40%, and the average proficiency in math is 38%. This does not make sense. We are graduating 83% of the students with less than 40% proficient in the main subjects. So how do we overcome this? If your children are advanced and need to accelerate in their learning, this is not happening in the schools. They are kept at the same level. If they are behind or dislike learning or are afraid of education, they need some extra help. We are here to help support you and the children. We offer small group tutoring sessions as well as individual tutoring sessions in person and online. These classes have the goal of helping your student to achieve their God-given potential. We have faculty who are all volunteers who come from various professions. They were working with kids last year and they're anxious to get started again. So the answer is some kids do better in social situations. Parents think social situations means classrooms of same-age children. I think, as a child development expert, that social situations are any interactions with kids, and we have seen great benefit from the younger kids working with the older kids and vice versa. When the older children are learning something and then they get to teach it to younger children, it cements it for them. We have parents who feel that social interactions cannot occur in a small school, but think about the one-room schoolhouses years ago and the skills and experiences that the kids had. Parents also worry about if their children are being bullied or being left behind. That does not happen in a school that has Bible-based principles as its guidance. There are many, many things to look at. I would be glad to visit with you individually about your particular child. As a matter of fact, I'll do assessments for the kids to determine where placement should be. You can find us on LifeSTEM Education Center on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Thank you very much for your time.